Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install pip on Linux. So the first thing you need to do in order to install pip on Linux is to go to your terminal. So we will type terminal, press enter, and now first of all we need to check if our pip is installed. So we can do that by typing in pip3 version. As you can see, pip3 command not found, that means that it's not installed. And in order to install it, before the very important thing is to check if your Python is installed, because without Python installed on your Linux, it basically won't work. So we have to type in Python 3 version. For me it's installed, and Python basically should be installed by default on almost every Linux distribution, so it should work fine, but it's better to check that. And in order to install pip, you have to basically type in sudo apt install python 3 pip -y, press enter, type in password of course, and now we need to wait for it to download and install. And it's done, and we have to make sure that it installed correctly by typing in again pip3 version. As you can see, it worked fine, and that's basically how you install pip on your Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.